Hello friends, my name is Emmett, and you are watching Let's Learn with Emmett. In today's video we will learn how to model a simple low poly tank in Blender. Let's get started. Open a new Blender file. Select default cube. Press S, X, 2, to scale the cube in X-axis. Press S, Y, 1.5, to scale the cube in Y-axis. Press Tab, to go to edit mode. Press Ctrl plus R, to add a loop cut. Press S, by, 1.5, to scale the loop cut in X-axis. This will give us a base shape of a tank. Press 1 to go to front orthographic view. Enable X-ray mode. Go to Add menu, select Mesh, Cylinder. In Add Cylinder menu, change vertices value to 10, X rotation to 90. Press S, 0.4, to scale down the cylinder. Press 3 to go to right orthographic view. Press S, Y, and scale it down little bit on Y-axis. Use the Move tool to move the cylinder in Y-axis first then Z-axis. Press 1 to go to front orthographic view. Press Shift D, X.9 to duplicate and move the shape in X-axis. Press Shift R to repeat the last action. Select the first cylinder again. Press Shift D, X-0.9 to duplicate and move the shape in negative X-axis. Press Shift R to repeat the last action again. Go to Add Mesh Cube. Press S, Z.02 to scale the cube in Z-axis. Press S, Y, 0.4 to scale the cube in Y-axis. Use Move tool to move the cube in Y-axis. Press Tab to go to edit mode. Ctrl R to add a loop cut. Select all vertices on left side by pressing B for box selection and click and drag for selection. Press X and delete vertices. Press Tab to go back to object mode. Go to Modifiers tab, add modifier, mirror. Press 1 to go to front orthographic view. Press Tab to go to edit mode. Select right side of vertices. Use the Move tool to move the vertices in X-axis. Press E to extrude the vertices in X-axis, then move vertices down in Z-axis. Go back to object mode by pressing Tab key. Apply the mirror modifier. Press Shift A, Mesh, Cube. Press S, Z, 0.42 to scale down the cube. Move it down on Z-axis. Press S, X and scale up the cube on X-axis. Press 3 to go to right orthographic view. Move the cube on Y-axis and scale it little bit down on Y-axis. Press Tab to go to edit mode. Use face selection. Select the front face, press X and delete the face. Select the back face and do the same. Go back to object mode, press Ctrl A, and apply scale. Go to edit mode, select left and right side faces of cube. Press Ctrl B, 0.35 to bevel in the cube. Go to bevel settings, set segments value to 3. Go back to object mode. Go to Modifiers tab, add modifier, solidify. Change thickness to 0.03. Apply the modifier. Disable the X-ray mode. Select all the things except the tank base. Press 7 to go to top orthographic view. Press Shift S, and set cursor to world origin. Press period in keypad and set origin to 3D cursor. Press Shift D, S, Y, -1. To duplicate and flip around the shapes. Press period in keypad and set origin back to bounding box center. Press Shift A, mesh at a cylinder. Press S, Z, point 2 to scale down the cylinder in Z-axis. Move the cylinder up in Z-axis. Go to Edit Mode, select Top Face. Press I.2 to insert a face. Press E.3 to extrude the face. Go back to Object Mode. Press Ctrl A and apply scale. Go to Edit Mode again. Press Ctrl B.25 to bevel the shape. While in Edit Mode, press Shift A and add a cube. Press S, Y.2 to scale it down on Y-axis. Use the Move tool to first move the cube up in Z-axis, then move forward in X-axis. Go to Face menu, select Intersect Boolean to cut out the shape. Go back to Object Mode, press Shift A, Mesh, Cylinder. Press R, Y, 90 to rotate the cylinder in Y. Press S, point 2 to scale down the cylinder. Move the cylinder up on Z-axis, and move forward on X-axis to adjust its position. Go to Edit Mode, select Front Face and drag the face on X-axis. Press E to extrude, S to scale it outwards. Press again E to extrude and move forward. Press I to insert the face, E to extrude and then push inwards. Our low poly tank is ready. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos about Blender. See you soon in our next video. Till then, have a nice time.